Hello viewers, I am Ashim Roy. Welcome to my educational channel, The Difference Between. Today's topic is that which will glow more, a 100-watt bulb or a 40-watt electric bulb when connected to the same voltage supply. We have a common experience that when two bulbs, one 100-watt and another 40-watt, is connected with the same voltage supply, we see that the 100-watt bulb will glow more. That will be the sudden answer. But the physics explains differently. So, before explaining this phenomenon, I explain the formulae for calculating the resistance of a bulb from its rating. The formula is resistance R of an electric bulb is equal to V square by P. V is the power supply voltage. Here it is 220 volt AC, means alternating current. P is the power rating of the electric bulb. Now, if I calculate the resistance of 100-watt bulb, then I use the formula R100 is equal to V square. V means 220 volt supply. So 220 whole square by 100, that is the power. After calculating, we get 484 ohm. Ohm is the unit of electrical resistance. Similarly, resistance of 40-watt bulb R40 is equal to again 220 whole square divided by 40, which will be equal to 1210 ohm. Now we see that when the power is more, the resistance of the bulb is less. That means R, that is resistance of a bulb, R, I am writing here, R inversely proportional to the power. R inversely proportional to the power. Observing this formula, we can write this one, R inversely proportional to power. Now, first case, let the bulbs are connected in series combination like this. 100-watt bulb and 40-watt bulb are connected in series with the 220 volt AC supply. The current flowing in the circuit is I. The same current will flow through both the bulbs. This is the characteristics of series combination. Therefore, heat produced when electric current passes through both the bulbs, then heat is produced. That is, a part of the electrical energy will be converted into heat and definitely other part is light. So, heat produced will be equal to H. The formula for calculating heat produced is equal to I square RT. I am taking I because I is same, that is constant in series circuit, that is very important. Therefore, heat produced in 100-watt bulb is equal to I square R100 into T. T represent the time, for let it be 1 minute or 2 minutes like that. But when we want to compare, then the T for both the cases must be same. So I square R100 into T, putting the corresponding value of the resistance, R100 is equal to 484 ohm. Therefore, I square 484 into T. Similarly, the heat produced in 40-watt bulb, you can see this is equal to I square R40 into T, that is I square 1210 T. Now, comparing these two quantities, I same, T same, only we have to compare the number. Here the number is 484, number is 1210. Therefore, we can say that H40, that is heat produced in the 40-watt bulb, will be more than H100, that is heat produced in the 100-watt bulb. Thus, in this case, 40-watt bulb will glow more. You see that it is different from the common experience that 100-watt bulb power is more, therefore glow will be more. No, first we have to think that the connection, that whether it is connected in series or in parallel combination. Now, I want to explain the parallel combination of two bulbs. 100-watt bulb and 40-watt bulb are connected in parallel with the same 220-volt AC supply. The current flowing through the circuit is I, shared between the two bulbs. Now, in this case, the very important point is the voltage supply V across the two bulbs same, that is V, that is 220 volts, since it is in parallel combination, which is the characteristic property of the parallel combination, that is V must be constant. V is constant, series I constant. Therefore, I use a different formula for heat calculation. H equal to V square by R into T. You see, here it is H is equal to I square R into T, where I is constant. Here I am taking H is equal to V square by R into T, where V is constant. So putting the corresponding value of the resistance, H100 is equal to V square by R100 into T. I put the value of R100, that is 100-watt bulb, which is 484 ohm. I am not using the unit here due to lack of space. Similarly, heat produced in the 40-watt is equal to V square by R40 into T. So V square by 1210 into T. In this case, compare these two quantities. V and V same, T and T same. 484 and 1210 are on the denominator side. Therefore, directly we can say that H100, that is heat produced in the 100-watt bulb, will be more than heat produced in the 40-watt bulb by comparing these two quantities. Implies that 100-watt bulb will glow more than the 40-watt bulb. Now, the point arises that this connection is correct, and this is usually used in the domestic circuit. In domestic circuit, there is parallel combination. Electric fan, electric bulb, other electrical gadgets are connected to same 220-volt supply in parallel combination, so that if one instrument get damaged or one bulb get fused, then there will be no problem in the other bulb. That will glow and that will continue to operate. But in series combination, if we connect all the instruments, all the bulbs in series, then if one bulb get fused, the whole circuit will be incomplete. Therefore, everything will be off. So that's the difference in the feeling, common feeling, and the theory of physics. So in series, 100-watt bulb, 40-watt bulb, the 40-watt bulb will glow more. In parallel combination, 100-watt bulb will glow more than the 40-watt bulb. So this is, I want to explain that whatever we feel, sometimes it may not be correct. Our idea, our experience will match together, then we shall understand the beauty of physics. I fix the camera for few minutes so that you can see the board clearly, and you may copy the equations. Thank you for watching.